Hi everyone. Good morning. Such an exciting day. Next to me is out everywhere. It's available on all your favorite platforms and I am so excited to talk to you all. How are you guys doing? People asking where are you, Arman? I'm here already. I am dot on time. 1:45 as I had promised. Well, so many things to talk to you about. I want to start with how the song came about. After Control released, I was not finding any inspiration at all to write a new song. And for a while, I was just taking a break from music. But then मुझे लगा नहीं यार, I think the only thing that will really help me get through this crazy time is going to be music. And I kind of just had a session with one of my producers in LA. He sent me a few beats, and his name is Jimmy. He sent me some amazing beats, and one of them was what you hear as next to me right now. And जब मैंने वो सुना, I was just blown away, and I knew I had to write something. And just randomly, this line came to me: "All I want is you next to me. That's all." And when I actually started writing this song with my friend Natanya, I realized that there are so many of us that are missing our loved ones in this quarantine. There are so many people who are stuck in different parts of the world. Someone's parents are in a different country and they are in a different country. Someone's lovers are in a different country and they are having a long distance relationship, and it's not easy having that. We all have seen that so many times that like it's so tough to maintain that. And the missing is real. I wanted to capture that emotion. वो जो एक emotion है कि you really miss that person. You want to do things with them. You want to go out with them. You want to just have a chill day and doing nothing, just like laying in your bed, just chilling or playing games or seeing Netflix or I think it's as simple as that. You miss doing those things that you were doing with them, and um, you just want them next to you. It's as simple as that. So that's how the birth of the song happened. उस thought से गाना बना, and finally it's released now, and I'm so excited. I made this in quarantine, and uh, the turnaround time has been so quick for me. I've never released a song so quickly, like just made it and just released it. So this is one of those songs, and I'm super excited for it. I'm glad that you guys have already started sharing it, liking it, streaming it. So many messages are coming in. um, People didn't know what to expect. After Control, Control itself was something as a shocker for a lot of my fans because they had never heard me sing in English properly, and everyone was waiting for that next song, the next English song, because people want to know if this is something real, this is something that's happening. And like I promised you guys, this is not a one-off thing. This is something that I want to do regularly. This is something I'm focusing all my energies on. Obviously, Hindi music, Bollywood music, everything is happening on the side. But this is my dream project, and I'm finally working on it. And my next single, my second single, is out there next to me. Thank you for loving it. I want to thank Spotify and Apple Music for all the early support they've given on the record. And all the other partners are now going to jump in, and I'm just going to go crazy on my socials, sharing all those links. So I want all of you guys to stream it on your favorite streaming platforms and make this a super hit. Let's do it together. I've a lot of things that I want to tell you guys. I know the time is very short, and we also need to join the premiere chat, which is gonna happen in the next, I think, 10 minutes or 12 minutes. I'm not sure, but like very very soon, just after this live. So I want everyone on this live to go join in the premiere chat because I'm going to be there and I'm going to chat with you all and share all the excitement before the lyric video drops. And one thing about the lyric video that I wanted to tell you: a lot of people, a lot of Indian artists, I don't see a lot of lyric videos from Indian artists, and a lot of people believe today also in the music industry that a music video is the most important asset for a song. I don't think that is true. I have seen so many lyric videos in the West that have done so brilliantly well, and they have done even better than the music video, in fact. So I want to change that about the Indian scene here. You know how people perceive how music is consumed. You don't need a music video every time. A lyric video actually can hit you even harder. Like the lyrics are right there in front of you to feel the song. So I personally feel like this lyric video you guys are gonna love, and it's kept in such a way that you can relate with it. I know that you can relate with it. I want you all to share it with everyone. Some of you might be in relationships, so share it with your girlfriend or boyfriends. Some of you have some really close friendships with your best friends, so share it with them. Your family who may be quarantined with you or not with you. I mean, they must be in a different country. Please share it with all of them. I know that everyone will relate with this song. I relate with it so much, even though it's my song and I should not talk so much about my own song, but I relate with every word on this song. It's so simple, but it just hits home. It just hits home because this is what I'm feeling. This is what so many of us are feeling. We're missing our people. We're missing everyone in our life who we used to chill with on a regular basis before this whole lockdown thing happened. So yeah, share it with everyone. Share it with the besties, your girlfriends, boyfriends, parents, people who don't like also share it. Fela do bas. I think we all need to spread love in this time, and the only source of relief and peace that I've got during this whole lockdown situation and with all that's happening in the world is through my music. So I'm really glad to have released Control and Next to Me during this whole lockdown thing. And there's so many more releases coming your way. So I'm super excited for all my fans, all my Armanians. This is just the beginning. 2020 has not gone the way we all wanted it to, but it's definitely a time for all of us to seek positivity from all the little small things. Like I'm seeking the most positivity from my song releases and just seeing you guys go crazy over it and sending me such amazing, loving messages. It makes my day. You know, I feel low and I just see all my fan messages and automatically it just lights me up. So thank you for always loving me so much. And this song is my second English single. My dream is to take India global, and step by step, I am going to achieve that dream. I know because I have you guys with me by my side. So let's take India to the world and let's show them what India's got. Let's do it. Love you all. Join the Premier Chat before you forget. Join the Premier Chat which is happening after this. Okay, don't forget. Love you all.